In this video, we will show you how to assemble and operate your Greenworks speed saw. We have featured a 24-volt speed saw. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your speed saw may look different than the model used to film this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools provided. You will require a wrench to install and remove the bits. The wrench is included in the box. A Phillips head screwdriver is needed should you want to install a belt clip and is not necessary for the operation of the speed saw. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Lift the speed saw out of the box and set it down. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Installing and removing bits. Press and hold the spindle lock button. Loosen the collet nut by turning it counterclockwise with the wrench provided. Insert the shank end of the bit into the collet. Tighten the collet nut securely by turning it clockwise. To remove the bit, loosen the collet and lift the bit out. Step 3. Installing the battery. If you purchased a complete kit, your model includes a battery and a charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Align the lift ribs on the battery pack with the grooves inside the battery compartment. Next, push the battery pack into the compartment until it locks into place. Step 4. Starting the unit. Press the on button to start the unit. Push the opposite side to turn it off. Adjusting the depth. Before making any adjustments, always start by removing the battery pack. Loosen the adjusting knob by turning it counterclockwise. Move the depth adjustment ring to your desired position. Tighten the adjusting knob by turning it clockwise. That locks your setting in place. Removing the depth adjustment ring. With the battery removed, place the wrench into the tab on the depth adjustment ring. Depress the spring-loaded tab to release the ring. You can now lift the depth adjustment ring off the speed saw. Installing the belt clip. Start by inserting the included belt clip into the slot of the speed saw. Insert the Phillips head screw and use the Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the clip onto the unit. Operational tips. Before you get started, here are some essential tips to keep you safe and working smart. Your safety comes first. Always wear the proper PPE when using power tools. We recommend customers wear gloves and safety glasses every time. Always remove the battery pack when assembling parts, making adjustments, cleaning, or when the tool is not in use. Only use attachments or accessories recommended by Greenworks. Operating your speed saw. Let's walk through the proper way to use your speed saw, step by step. Always hold the tool by its motor housing. Start the speed saw and let it reach full speed. Once it's at full speed, tilt the saw at a 45-degree angle. Plunge the bit into the material using the guide ring as your pivot point. Slowly move the saw to a 90-degree angle. And that is it. You can now start cutting. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.